So I have to do this video over because this morning we woke up to a nice New England day. It's a lot of ice out here this morning, a lot of ice. So it's just winter in New England. Um, so my brother drove out from the front driveway. He called, he says, Beverly, be careful. The truck, when I tried to come out, the truck slid from the driveway straight down into the street. 2 miles an hour he has to be driving for work. For me, when I got to the back porch, it was horrible. So Danny he said, don't move. So he went out, got the salted the air so I could hold on to him and get to his truck. Then we got to work and I could hardly come in. But they had salted the place, but it was still horrible. So he had to get out. I had to hold on to him and another teacher so that I could get to where I could at the front door where it was dry. So I'm going to flip the camera to show you guys. It's icy. A lot of kids are out. Everything is going slow. You can hear the fire trucks and the responders in the background. It is not a nice day. This you can see the blacktop, but that blacktop, don't let it fool you. It's all ice because it's raining a little bit, and as it hits the ground is so cold, so everything is turning into ice. Horrible. A lot of teachers are out. So I'm just going to turn the camera around to show you what it looks like. So all of that, it looks nice and clean and pretty, but it's all ice that you're looking at as far as you can see. So you see everything is going slowly. See down there the cars are. It's terrible. Very terrible. But we give thanks, for all things. On Friday we'll be getting 5 to 6 inches of snow. Thursday we're off. But we still give thanks. Cold today. It's like 30 degrees now. Hopefully it gets a little warmer so the ice will melt. So a lot of kids are telling me I have 8 kids who came in, and a lot of them were saying they were sliding, they fell, but they're here. Everything's slow. See those vehicles just going slowly. So wherever you are, guys, give thanks. If you're in sunny Jamaica, give thanks. It might complain for the heat, but at least you're not slipping and sliding, so make it a great day.